talked about all the rain and the storms. All of that water really can affect plumbing, right?
Definitely. When you have a lot of rainfall, it can saturate the ground and then put extra pressure on your pipes. So if you already have a fragile pipe, it can cause it to burst or collapse. So then you got backups in your house, your kitchen sink, your toilets, everything. So, it's very inconvenient.
Yeah.
And people don't think about all the havoc that can cause.
Yeah, and you definitely don't want to be that host having a party with the clogged sinks or the toilets.
Exactly.
Not good.
And that does happen a lot. What we do is we try to keep that cleared out during the year so that you don't have that issue come up unexpectedly.
Yeah, not fun.
Doesn't it seem like that's when it always happens, when you're least expecting that?
Yes, always. What can we do to prevent this from happening?
We can come out and we can do an inspection of all your sewer lines. So we can make sure that there's nothing clogging it, there's no roots growing through it, that you don't have any collapse issues, something that you can't see going on, so that when you do have those parties and those fun things that you don't end up having, that's the time that you have an issue with it.
And I would think if it's not taken care of and nipped in the bud, it could cause an even bigger problem.
Definitely. You want to take care of it when you think there could be a problem, because otherwise you're going to risk having damage to your house, damage to your property, and more catastrophic things that you have to deal with insurance and everything else.
Yeah, very expensive.
Exactly.
Yeah.